Hi everyone, this is David with CMC Motorsports, and we made this short video to show you that our Rey Backrest is designed to work with an OEM Harley-Davidson lockable latch. Now it's worth noting that the dealer sells the latches in sets of 2, but they only sell it for the right hand side. So we added it to this Rey to show you how simple it is to use. It works just like any of the other latches, except it has a spring-loaded button on the right-hand side and a barrel piece. So after you engage the lock onto your docking kit, all you need to do is press the spring-loaded button down and you're good to go. You have that added layer of security. One of the cool things about buying the genuine Harley-Davidson lockable latch is that it comes with a key code. So if you ever misplace your key, you can always go to the dealer and they'll make you a replacement key with no problem. We like this option so much that we've made the decision to add the genuine Harley-Davidson lockable latch option to our order process. So if you want to have this installed on your Rey before we ship it out, make sure you select that on our website and we'll make sure to get that done for you. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call or email us or even DM us with the question and we'll get right back to you. Thanks for choosing Rey, the baddest backrest on the Harley scene. We can't wait to see it on your bike.